Welcome back. Leaders of Goa's movement for special status gave a wake-up call for Goenkars and Sashtikars to save Goa. The public meeting at Banauli, witnessed by hundreds of Sashtikars, cautioned Goenkars against heavy in-migration. Dr. Oscar Rebello said Salsette has been an epitome of revolution and should rise again. Alina blamed Goans for being responsible for heavy in-migration. The leaders have also opposed Mopa Airport.
क्रांती सुरू जाता सालसेतच्या आणि ही क्रांती आसा पळय ती हे विचार जे आसात पळय ते सालसेतच्यान सुरू जावन बाकी गोंयाक लागता पडटा ते and special status will be a stillborn child if the disaster called Mopa visits Goa. You cannot have Mopa and you cannot talk about special status in the same breath.
It is we who are selling away our beloved Goa. We, directly or indirectly, are supporting this migration that is happening rampantly.
Toppled in the 99 coup, jailed and exiled, Nawaz Sharif made a triumphant election comeback on Sunday. He is all set for his third term as Pakistan's Prime Minister. Sharif's Pakistan Muslim League emerged as single largest party, touching 120 and odd seats to claim formation of government in Pakistan. Sharif held off a challenge from former cricket star Imran Khan, but Imran's party could not cross a figure of 40 in Pakistan National Assembly with total of 272 seats. India has hailed Sharif's win.
Sunday's vote failed to realize the hopes of many that dynastic politics would end after years of misrule and corruption in Pakistan. Sharif held off a challenge from former cricket star Imran Khan, who had hoped to break decades of dominance by Sharif's Pakistan Muslim League and the Pakistan People's Party led by the Bhutto family. Khan's Tehreek-e-Insaf put up a strong fight and he is likely to remain a force in politics.
कि पाकिस्तान के अवाम नवाज शरीफ से किस कदर मोहब्बत करते हैं. हमें अल्लाह के यहाँ सर बसजूद होना चाहिए कि उसने पाकिस्तान मुस्लिम लीग नून को एक दफा फिर मौका दिया है पाकिस्तान की खिदमत का. अल्लाह ताला हमें तौफीक दे, एक एक वादा पूरा करेंगे इंशाअल्लाह. मुझे अगर किसी ने गालियां निकाली हैं, शहबाज शरीफ को गालियां निकाली हैं, हमारी पार्टी को बुरा भला कहा है, हम वो सब कुछ माफ करते हैं.
India's Minister for Foreign Affairs Salman Khurshid has hailed Nawaz Sharif's victory, saying the victory will help improve relations with Pakistan.
है चुनाव, भारत उसका स्वागत करता है और नवाज शरीफ जी से संबंध रहे हैं हम लोगों के, हमारी सरकार के और भारत के संबंध रहे हैं और प्रधानमंत्री जी की ओर से उनको बधाई का संदेश जाएगा और उम्मीद तो हम यही करेंगे जो वो कहते रहे हैं. अगर वही दिशा रही पाकिस्तान सरकार की तो उम्मीद तो हम ये करेंगे कि हालात जो हैं अच्छे होंगे, बेहतर होंगे और हम लोग एक सामान्य स्थिति और मित्रता की तरफ बढ़ेंगे.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured to develop the backwater creek of Kampal after technological test. CM unveiled statues for revitalizing the Kampal Creek. Goa Forgiving and Heritage Jazz held a program to celebrate Mother's Day at Kampal.
We can develop this for good boating. Okay. And let me talk with CRZ authorities to work out the water flow. Udak kashe bhitar yeta, udak kashe wada. Because that tongue is formed now. So probably with CRZ authorities' permission, we can sort of open it up slightly. Okay. And water can be made to flow smooth. If water flows smooth, we will develop the creek, backwater creek development.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.